Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this video, I'm going to teach you on how you can add links to your YouTube channel in easy steps. So go ahead and open any website which you want to add the link of in your YouTube channel. So let's go ahead and open my Instagram. Then go to your profile and click on the URL box in the top of the screen. Simply go ahead and copy the link. Come back to YouTube, tap on your profile picture icon in the top right corner of your screen. And here select view your channel. Then after tap on customize channel option, it will redirect you to your YouTube studio. Here from the channel customization section, you need to scroll all the way down and there you'll get the section of link. It is indicating share external links with your viewers and they'll be visible on your channel, profile, and about page. Now tap on the add link option. Enter the link title if you want to. Like I'm going to add my Instagram profile link, so I'm just gonna go ahead and type in Instagram. Now paste the link that you just copied and tap on publish in the top right corner and you'll be done. Now tap on go to channel, and here if you open your profile of your YouTube channel, you'll see your Instagram link over there. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.